There are several strategies and estate planning tools available to help individuals and families avoid the probate process or minimize its impact. Here are some common methods to avoid probate. Living trust. Creating a living trust is one of the most effective ways to avoid probate. A living trust is a legal entity into which you transfer ownership of your assets during your lifetime. You can act as the trustee and retain control over the assets. Upon your death, a successor trustee, whom you have named, takes over and distributes the assets to the beneficiaries according to your instructions. Since the assets are held within the trust, they do not go through probate. Joint ownership with right of survivorship. Owning assets jointly with the right of survivorship means that when one owner dies, the surviving owner automatically inherits the deceased owner's share of the property. Common examples include joint bank accounts and joint ownership of real estate. This method can avoid probate for those specific assets, but it's essential to consider potential drawbacks and consult with legal professionals to ensure it aligns with your overall estate planning goals. Beneficiary designations. Certain assets, such as life insurance policies, retirement accounts, for example, IRAs, 401ks, and payable on death, POD, or transfer on death, TOD, accounts, allow you to designate beneficiaries. Upon your death, these assets are directly transferred to the named beneficiaries without going through probate. Gifts. During your lifetime, you can gift assets to your intended beneficiaries. However, this approach requires careful consideration of potential gift taxes and may not be suitable for everyone, depending on the size of the estate and individual circumstances. Small estate procedures. Many jurisdictions offer simplified probate procedures for small estates, which have limited assets or debts. If your estate qualifies, the probate process can be faster and less expensive. It is crucial to understand that estate planning and probate laws can vary significantly from one jurisdiction to another. Additionally, the effectiveness of these strategies depends on individual circumstances and the specific laws of your state or country. To ensure that your estate plan meets your objectives and is legally valid, it is essential to consult with an experienced estate planning attorney or legal professional. They can guide you through the process and help you choose the most appropriate methods to avoid probate while protecting your assets and loved ones.